when you're talking about taking care of your specific condition, right? All right, this is my best friend. This is everything. This is everything. Okay, um, is everything. Cayenne pepper will stop a heart attack. You hear what I'm saying? Don't play with this. This stuff, you go out and get this one and stock this and everything. This will keep this will help with blood clots. This will help with inflammation, pain, um, sugar, cholesterol, heart attacks. Again, I mean, really, like, this stuff is everything, and it's it's a pest control also, but it is very dangerous. Okay, it is very dangerous. You cannot get this stuff in your eyes. You have to be careful with the kids. If I make my pills, I try to keep it, with my gloves on so that I don't accidentally pick up the baby. And now I'm trying to, he's watching Paw Patrol. Get it in his eyes, something. 'Cause, let me tell you, one day I was actually making my own batch of cayenne pepper because I do make my own. This is just stuff that when it's on sale, I grab it because I need it, right? And I was driving to go pick up the kids from school, and I rubbed my eye by accident, forgetting that I had just finished dehydrating 10 pounds of ghost peppers. And I thought I was going to die. Like, my eye felt like I needed to just take it out and put it under water. It was bad. It was bad. It was bad. So, please, put on some gloves when you're messing with this stuff. But this stuff is great. I mean, inflammation will go down, okay? Your cholesterol will go down. My cholesterol went down, okay? And now be careful when you're putting these pills together. You need to take cayenne small amounts at a time until you get used to it. Like, one of these big ones, I could take 1 or 2 of these because I've been doing this for years, okay? But it's going to be on a full stomach. If you want to know what it feels like to have a heart attack or a stroke, I mean, you're just a glutton for punishment and you really want to know what it feels like, take this on an empty stomach. Okay? Take one of these pills on an empty stomach. And every symptom that is in the book that says you are having a heart attack or a stroke, you will feel. Okay? You will feel it, and you're like, Lord, is it time? Yeah, that's so. With food, not a glass of water, not a smoothie, with food. Now, if you're going to take, your smoothies and things like that, you can always sprinkle this in there. You can always put some in it. But when you're taking a pill that's going to have, a half a teaspoon in there, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay? Yeah, don't. And last, not last. I'll leave this one for last. Melatonin. This stuff is great. This one you can stock up on. They have the sales at Costco all the time. The dissolvable ones, they're good, of course, to help you sleep. Good for anxiety, help you relax. You don't have to take a full dose if you're, anxious. It's very good to keep you level, kind of relax you. And I've had to use this before to just kind of relax. A lot of people will go and reach for the Benadryl and things like that. This is about taking as least medicine as possible, right? If you're in a situation, you're going to save those medicines for the real problem. Like, you're not going to just take your Benadryl because you need to calm down or you need to sleep. No, because you need to save that Benadryl, right? If you're having some massive allergic reaction. That's what you need to save it for. Not to go to sleep or to relax. Hey, love me. So, melatonin. And this is also something that I stock up on. It's not always easy to find, but I do keep it. And it is the desiccated thyroid, which is basically a freeze-dried thyroid of an animal. This one is a bovine. So this is almost like armor. This is like armor thyroid. So it's going to have your T3 and T4 in there. But still take your thyroid medicine. But I keep this because I need my thyroid. I had radioactive iodine twice. They were trying to get rid of, I guess, thyroid cancer or something. And I had Graves' disease, really bad, and I was in thyroid storm. So I was on my way out, seriously. But, I have to take thyroid medicine forever. And this stuff, I stock up on. I keep buying this. I have another order that I'm gonna, get. But then, there's other things that I take. Like all this stuff is for the symptoms. So even when my thyroid is a little out of whack, I don't know because my symptoms are so controlled with all of the natural things that I do that, the doctor's like, wait a minute, you're not gaining weight, your fluid's not crazy, this is not going in, your heart rate's not crazy. What's going on? But your thyroid level is off. What are you doing? So, sometimes I forget. Everybody forgets to take something you got to take every day. You just do. But this is my alternative to my actual thyroid medicine. So there you go. I hope all this helps. These things are gonna last for a while, and these are things that you can throw in a couple Ziploc bags or the food saver bags and vacuum them up really, really small and then throw them in your backpack. Always try to keep some of these things with you. If it's tornado season, stock up on it a little bit more. Put it in your bin of stuff that you keep in your shelter. I just moved, so I have to go through a lot of my stuff again. We just moved here a few months ago, so I still have things kind of scattered all over the place. But my backpacks are still all together, and so just a matter of getting everybody used to the new surroundings and new drills, new rules, and where all of the stuff is going to be. So putting that together. And once it's all done, I'll show it to you and let you guys know how we're doing. So do your own research and find out different things that are good for you, and put your medicines together. That is your life. It is very important. It's just important as all of the other preps that you have to put together. All right, so you guys take care. Let me know if this helped, if there's anything that you can add. Please let me know. This is